Today we will discuss about the preparation of homeopathic drugs in new method. So today's our topic is that the preparation of homeopathic drugs in new method. Now we come into details by a short trick, that is 3Ws. Means it is our trick, means where, when and why. So first, when the system is published or the system is present from in the homeopathic system, the new method is published, or origin of modern method for preparation of homeopathic medicine is published by HPUS in 1941. So what is HPUS? Homeopathic Pharmacy, United States. So this is the system which publishes the modern method for the preparation of homeopathic medicine. So first, when we cover, then we go towards the why this is needed. So the preparation of homeopathic drugs in new method is why needed. There is in my video also I give you description the old method, which I described that in old method we see in old method what is in old method. Old method means the method which is previously present before the this method is origin. So this method, what happened, that there is different strength of medicine is present, different strength of medicine or drug is present for different tincture or solution, or for different drugs there is different strength. But this is makes the very much confusion for the homeopaths to prepare the homeopathic medicine. So to avoid this, to avoid this old method which given by Dr. Frederick Hahnemann, we discover the new method. We means the Homeopathic Pharmacy, United States discovered in 1941 the modern method, in which what is the main, to avoid this confusion which is present in the old method. There is a new method where the drug strength is uniform. Means what does it means? We discuss about it in later in this video. Drug strength is uniform. So what the uniform strength we also discuss, and how the uniform is maintained we also discuss in this video. So now our when, why, and now 3W. So last one is our what is new method. So what is the new method? Definition. In this what we discuss about definition of new method of preparation of homeopathic medicine. So this is the process, this is the method, where it is the method where preparation of medicine and tincture means mother solution, or the drug substance from which the next potency are developed. So this medicine or tincture is prepared in this method. How this method, how they are prepared. So this is the definition, that it is the method where the preparation of a medicine and a tincture occur where it contains, the tincture or the medicine contains 1 gram of drug means which drug? Dry drug substance in 10 cc, means 10 ml of volume, or 10 cc of tincture. That is its principle or its definition, that in new method what happened in new method, the preparation of a drug is occur where the dry drug is present 1 gram in 110 cc of 10 cc of tincture. So this is the its principle, and its so in from this definition we can conclude a principle. What is its principle? That the principle is that the dry drug substance. So now here the question is arise, what is dry drug substance? So we all discussed in this video that the dry drug substance made as unit means one, made as unit or one to estimate all the strength of all medicine except few. There is also exception is present, but mainly all the preparation of a drug, there is the the dry drug or the mother means the dry drug which we taken before the preparation of a medicine should present in a form 1. So we mathematically represent it as 1:10, means 1 part is dry drug where 10 part is mother solution. So now this is the main thing which is mainly taken in this new method, and it is the different from that old method, that here the uniform, all the medicine contain uniform amount of drug strength, that is 1:10. So now we all discuss about the introductory part of the preparation of a homeopathic drug or new method. Now we go towards the new method is divided into two types according to the strength. Means standardization. According to the standardization, standardization. So of new method preparation of medicine is of two types, 1 and 2. What is 1? 1 is the substance which is present in the alcohol. So alcoholic tincture for dry drugs. Next one is fresh juicy substances. According to the quality of drug, it is of two types, that is liquid form and solid form. So what is standardization? So in standardization means in the evaluation of drug substance, it is divided into two parts: alcoholic tincture for dry drugs and the fresh juice for the fresh juicy substance. Now it is only for evaluation. We go towards the main thing, that is towards our quality of a drug. So according to the quality of drug, it is of two types. One is liquid form, another is solid form. So what is liquid form? Now liquid form is that substance which are mainly soluble in water or alcohol. So and the solid form is for which substance? Mainly the substance which undergoes in the trituration method. Trituration method. So that are the liquid and the solid form. So in liquid form, the substance which are mainly soluble in water, and the solid form, the substance which is mainly undergo in the trituration process. So which substance undergo in the trituration process? The substance which are partially soluble drug substances added with what? Milk sugar. Added with milk sugar. So milk sugar is what? Milk sugar is nothing but it is goat's milk. So the partially soluble drug substance which are added with this milk sugar, and this process is known as trituration. And this trituration method, the example and the substance which are going under this form, they are mainly mineral kingdom. mineral kingdom, the substance which are mainly the drug substance which are under in the mineral kingdom class, they are mainly prepared by the solid form trituration method. So and the liquid form. Now our question is in alcohol and water, from the both of them the alcohol is more suitable. Why alcohol is more suitable for the preparation of a drug on the basis of a quality in liquid form? Because the alcohol having preservation quality is more than liquid than water. Means water is unstable, it is not more preserve the drug substance for many days, but alcohol having the capacity preservation capacity is more, so it is used in mainly in this new method of homeopathic drug substances. Now we go we classify the drug substance preparation. Now we go towards the how we prepare the drug substance, what is the process. So before we go towards the main thing, we should know that principle, that what is the main barrier, main division in the old method and the new method, that the moisture content is included in new method, So this is the main thing which makes the new method more different from the old method, that is the moisture content. So how do we calculate the moisture content? To estimation of moisture content. So to estimate the moisture content, then we should go first the process of preparation of a new method of a drug. So to estimate the moisture content, we shall divide it into 3 steps. What are they? First, the fresh drug substance which we take for the preparation of medicine. The fresh drug substances should cut in on chopping board. So why this is necessary? Because by cutting the drug substances into in cutting, we get the uniform amount of part of the drug, which is mainly necessary for the solubility of in the alcohol. Due to this, we take the fresh drug substance, first we cut it, then what we do, then after cutting it, we should record the substance, weight and record. Then we should take the chopped material in water bath. Water bath is what? It is the substance by which we can evaporate the moisture content. So by taking the chopped material in the water bath, we evaporate the moisture content. Then we record it. So every 15-minute interval we record and measure the what amount of moisture content is evaporated. When in this 15-minute interval, every 15-minute interval we record, and same process which we discuss, we take every 15-minute interval. At last, when the end or final weight is equal to the previous weight, then we stop and take this material as a substance of a dry drug substance. So here why it is needed of evaporation, because we in the new method, the principle which we will discuss, that the dry drug substance which we discussed, that there should be a dry drug substance which taken as a unit. So to use this dry drug substance, we go through this above process. So now our final processed material goes to 2 steps. Is finally the processed material which we discover from this after this process is now go in 2 paths. What are the paths? One is percolation, another is maceration. Before we go the final product into the process of percolation and maceration, we should compare this final drug with the respective tincture which given in the pharmacopoeia, and the drug should not be anhydrous, means should not be anhydrous, means it should contain the water, some amount of water should present, not purely moisture content is not purely evaporate. So this is the thing which we should mention, or we should recommended in the process, we should recommended in the process of preparation of drug in the new method.